that starts with one, though. It started with two $78,000 duplexes, and then just really building out a value proposition. And then I started this. This was back in early on in my career. I read this thing called intentional congruency. It's not vertical integration. It's intentional congruency. So what it is you find one main vertical, one main company, and you spur companies off of that company. But there's this one main behemoth in the middle, and then it feeds the other ventures. And that's how we've kind of spurred off. So now my clients are getting different touch points, but they're getting touch points from my companies. And those companies are communicating with each other. And that's how I was able to grow and expand. And I was starting a lot of the companies in the beginning, and then I realized it's better to just go acquire a company and then put my value proposition, my secret sauce, and my rocket fuel on top of it. And that's how I was able to really expand and grow faster, stronger, and better.